Hello students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purnima. I'm an IELTS and PT trainer. As you know that today all the world is facing the great disaster that is coronavirus, which affects overseas education as well. And due to this, some students have two biggest questions in their mind. The first question is that either they will get offer letter or not. And second question that comes in their mind is that if they receive the offer letter, then what should they do? Either they should accept the offer letter, they should go for it or not. So guys, in this video I try to give the answer of your two questions, and I think that in the end of the video you will get the satisfied answer. So let's start the video. But before starting the video, I want to say that if you don't subscribe my channel, then subscribe it immediately so that you can't skip any important information related to IELTS, PTE and other latest universities information. So first question is about offer letter. So students who are curious to know about the offer letter, then there is good news for them. Many international universities are providing offer letter in May 2020. I'm saying this because recently one of our student got offer letter before 2 to 3 days from Sterling University for October intake. So guys, don't worry about the offer letter. And looking at the present scenario, it can be said that students who applied their application before April, their chance of getting offer letter is very high. Moving to the second question, they should go or not, then students, the answer of this question can be varied, but in my perception, think about the finance first. As you know, there is a big problem of money in the world due to lockdown. So if you are planning to go abroad, then you should think twice. So if you are financially strong, then you can think to go, otherwise wait till stoppage of COVID-19. And moreover, the second reason of not going is that as international flights are closed now, so you will study through online mode. So it depends on you. And in the end, I just want to say that think twice before taking any action. That's all guys, this is all about today's video. I think the information will be useful for you, and for knowing the latest update and preparing for IELTS PT exams, subscribe my channel. All the best for your future. Thank you.